In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reports in ClickUp. To follow along, make sure you're logged into your ClickUp workspace and you have at least one list with some tasks in it, otherwise your reports will look a bit empty. We'll start from a standard list view and then move into a dashboard that gives you a clear visual report of what's going on in your workspace. First, open the list view that contains the work you want to report on. This could be a list for a specific project, client, or team. Think of this as choosing the data source for your report. Once you're in the right area, look at the left-hand side where your workspace or space is shown. Next, find the small plus icon next to the workspace or space where you'd like this reporting dashboard to live. This plus button is how you add new items to that area. Go ahead and click that plus icon. A menu will open with different options for what you can create. From that menu, choose Dashboard. This tells ClickUp you want to build a visual reporting space rather than a new list or document. As soon as you select Dashboard, ClickUp will open a dashboard view that's already configured with some powerful reporting widgets. At the top, you'll see an AI executive summary. This automatically pulls in key information about your work and summarizes it in plain language. It's a great way to quickly understand the overall status of your projects without digging into every single task. Below that, you'll see a widget showing tasks completed this week. Use this to review progress, celebrate wins, and check whether your team is closing out the right kind of work within the current week. You'll also see a section showing workload by status. This breaks your tasks down by where they sit in your workflow, such as not started, in progress, or done. It helps you spot bottlenecks, like too many tasks stuck in one stage. Another widget shows the total number of unassigned, in progress, and completed tasks. This is especially useful for understanding how much work still needs an owner and how close you are to finishing everything in the pipeline. You'll then see total and open tasks by assignee. This is your go-to view for workload balance. You can quickly tell who is overloaded, who has room to take on more, and how many tasks each person still has open. There's also a section for tasks due this week or overdue. This is where you focus your attention for immediate action, making sure nothing critical slips through the cracks. Finally, when you're ready to share this as a report, go to the top right corner of the dashboard. From there, you can export the dashboard to a PDF or use the share option to send it directly to stakeholders or teammates, giving them a clear, up-to-date view of your work in ClickUp.